and welcome to Gardening Diary channel. Today I am going to talk about how to repot a strawberry plant. Before we go into that, let's talk about how I had this strawberry plant. I was trying out with hardy strawberry seed. However, I had no success. The seed grew a little but all were dead in the end. Now, you may wonder, how did I had a strawberry plant in the end? That's just a stroke of luck. As I want to reuse my soil, I remixed the soil which contains strawberry seeds into my lemongrass planter. And one day, I saw some weed growing out from the lemongrass planter, which results in the strawberry plant you see here. With all being said, let's take a look how well it grow over the next 1 month. The strawberry plant indeed grow quite a bit over 1 month, and it is getting too big for its current pot. That is why I want to transfer the plant to a bigger pot. However, it is challenging because the strawberry plant is still young and very flimsy. I am very worried that I may kill it along the process. Let's see how it was done. As you can see, it is a very small pot with limited space, and the plant is very flimsy. A pot selection tips. Make sure you had chosen a pot that is at least double the size of the current pot. In addition, it is advisable not to choose an oversized pot. If the pot is too big, you may tend to overwater the plant, and result in poor grow. Next, of course, fill up the pot with soil. This time, I use Well-Grow Superior substrates pre-mixed which I like so far. It takes a while, let's me fast forward the process a little. Once you had filled up the pot, you will need to dig a hole in the soil which is big enough for the plant. Not doing so, it may hurt the root of the plant when you try to pot over. Now, it is the more challenging part, removing the plant from the pot. This strawberry plant is flimsy and the pot is very small, so, I have to carefully push the plant out by squeezing the side of the pot. In addition, I need to be extra careful when I use a very small shovel to take it out. Now, let's me fast forward the process. Finally, the plant is extracted from the pot. Look at the root and the size of the soil. This is where I had underestimated the size of the plant. Anyhow, I will carefully put the plant into the new pot. This is my first attempt, however, the root is dangling and I am worried it may get hurt. So, I have to take it out and try again. As you can see, I had underestimated the size of the plant, and I had put too much soil into the new pot. Eventually, I had to remove some soil out of the new pot before I tried to put it in again. It was lucky for me that this flimsy strawberry plant did not fall apart while I am holding it with the shovel. So as a tip, do not put too much soil into the pot in advance. Let's see if I could put it into the pot this time. The plant is finally settled into the pot, but I still have to be careful when I pull out the shovel. Any quick movement may put all earlier effort into waste. Next, I have to stabilize the strawberry plant and fill the pot with more soil. It is important to maintain the plant's balance while filling the pot with soil. As this takes time, I will fast forward my actions. After filling up the soil, you will need to water the soil. You should slowly add water around the soil and let the soil hold together. However, this will also result in the soil sinking downward. If the soil sinks too much, you should top up the soil into the pot. As you can see, this is a repetitive process. I had been carefully filling the pot with water, allow the soil to sink in and fill up the top soil as necessary. Along the process, I make sure the soil does not cover the crown of the strawberry plant. If the soil cover the crown, it may hurt the plant grows. It is almost done. Let me settle the soil down with water one more time, and adjust the soil as necessary. And finally, it is done. A happy new home for my strawberry plant. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this, please subscribe to Gardening Diary channel for more updates.